Hello guys! Tell me guys how I'm looking in this Chinese traditional dress.
How do you say bridge in Hindi?
Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. Today we are traveling. Where we are traveling about?
Old town, it's called Nanhuawa in Wuxi City, Jiangsu Province, China.
So today we're gonna stay here for one night guys. We will explore this city as this city is really famous for night show especially. We will see the night show later on. It's not started yet, right?
Yeah, 7 p.m.
Around 7 p.m. the night show will start. And one more amazing fact about this place, you guys will be shocked, as Elon Musk's mother also been to this place guys, because this place is really beautiful guys. So you guys must be excited, so don't forget to watch our whole video guys. The whole video gonna be more fun.
Why Elon Musk's mother visit here? So it's amazing.
I don't know why.
Why?
Yeah.
Let me tell you, my wife Priyanka visited here. That's why it's amazing. Okay.
Oh my god, that's so funny.
Other people doesn't matter. Okay.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Kuch nahi. So guys, that's the more interesting fact about this. Yeah, I also visited here as you were said, but Elon Musk's mother also visited in this place guys. So this place is really beautiful for especially for night show, and the house, the outside of the view is really amazing guys. We will show you in the early morning. That's why we are going to stay here in this place, right? And with beautiful and handsome man, he will let me know, he will help me to explore this place.
Yes.
Don't forget to watch our whole video guys. The whole video gonna be more interesting, very interesting, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel and watch our whole video. We'll show you the beautiful view outside. Yay! Wow. You see, here is our living room, 2 chairs and this cute sofa with Chinese traditional painting guys. All these, and we do have a kitchen. Whoa, we have a kitchen. We can cook, we can boil water, we can eat. We have a refrigerator, but I don't think so inside there will be something. Oh, what is this?
Green tea.
Green tea. Wow, they give us green tea guys. So here is our washroom. Here is our washroom. Let me check the light. I don't know from where I should turn. Oh, light is on here. So here is our washroom. Let's go inside the room. Welcome.
Remove shoes.
Oh, I forget to remove the shoes guys. I need to remove my shoes. Let's enter our beautiful house. Wow, we have a 2-bedroom, one for me, one for you, because one bed is not enough for us to sleep. We need 2 beds to sleep guys. That's why we have a 2 beds here. But this house design is really amazing, like old style. We have wardrobe here, we have a quilt, we have other stuff as well. We have a TV here, we can watch TV, but as you know, we not interested to watch that much TV, but it's fine. We're gonna show you our balcony area.
Under construction.
It's under construction, this balcony area. I mean, this hotel is under construction, but it's fine. The view is very beautiful. Let me so here is our balcony guys. Hello handsome boy.
We're under construction, but still they allow people to book.
Yeah,
but
it's under construction, and they allow us to stay here because before we already booked the hotel, we don't know that it is under construction. This area is specifically under construction, but we got some discount. Then you know, if we receive discount, then of course we're gonna stay here.
Price is too much good. Okay.
Yes guys.
It's like you get cheap hotel price, but you are living in a good old town.
Yeah, this hotel is expensive, but we got
Environment
discount.
is amazing.
Environment is also good. We will show you the outside environment guys. Right now we need to take rest first, then we will show you the outside environment. Oh guys, it's already night. Now we are going to see the performance.
Chalo Delhi.
Shut don't say say this.
ये देखो चाइना का एशियन थम बहुत ज़्यादा
China Asian town. Wow.
weather is better now.
Yes. You guys must have watched the videos on social media about these performances. Some people say it's fake, but not. It's not fake. It's real. Let me show you.
Tibet, Nepal. Now it's tea space.
Tea space. Mari ice cream. It's a rice cream. Me and Yuva. Almost 9 p.m. guys. People already left their. They already left from this place, or some are living in this place, because do have hotel services here. It's like a old town style, very beautiful. And whenever I see these kind of places, I always remember my grandmother house, because my granny house is also similar like this in the mountain area. I really miss after watching these kind of places. It's me and you. This is our hotel, guys. This is the view, outside view. We always love to stay in the traditional, because we both are interested in history, culture, tradition. We love to stay in traditional areas. Traditional stuff have different feeling and culture. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hello. Hello. Hey, mister. Hi, boyfriend. Hi, my boyfriend. Boyfriend. Hello. Hello, my boyfriend. Huh?
Don't play fire.
Don't play fire. What does that mean? Don't play fire. Aren't you my boyfriend? Who are you?
Which I don't like.
Oh, don't like. Hey, Fanta.
Oh, मुझे दो. This is our breakfast. Mango, coconut milk.
Wow, guys, look at these crockeries. Chinese traditional crockeries. They used to drink tea in this. Wow, where is Labubu? Oh my god, I see Labubu. Wow, look at these crockeries. Hello guys, welcome back to my video. Look at my dress. I'm wearing Chinese traditional dress in this hot weather.
Melting.
Just let me know how I'm looking in this dress, guys. How to say in Chinese how I'm looking?
怎么样?
Tell me guys how I'm looking in this Chinese traditional dress.
汉服。
汉服. Wow, butterfly. Can I? Come to me, butterfly. Come to me. Come to me. Come to me. Can I? Huh? Huh?
कैसा लगा बच्चों?
It's beautiful.
Don't you feel hot?
Oh, lotus. Oh my God.
This lotus different है ना?
Yeah. Wow, because of flowers.
Yeah, because of there. Chalo ji, go there inside.
欢迎来到无锡年好啊
Yeah. How do you say bridge in Hindi?
Bridge. Pull.
हाँ.
Pull.
Pull.
हाँ.
Pull.
बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है.
ये बहुत ज़्यादा.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
People living here. It's also hot here.
Wow, we are going so far away from our room.
Almost sunrise. Yeah, definitely preparing food.
Yeah, inside there is a box.
It's already 4 a.m. Behind the mountain, you can see the light coming.
People washed their clothes also.
Yes. Midnight. 4 a.m. What are we doing? What's wrong?
Not even 4 a.m.
340.
Yeah. We're exploring. We have to see how much time to explore.
You always give me new experience. No any single body, oh my god.
No one.
It's like we have this place.
Yes, we are the owner of this place.
We are the sahib here.
But it looks so peaceful.
No any single body.
Of course. Who will wake up like us this morning? So peaceful.
You are Billy now.
Yes.
Billy not sleep at night. योगा खत्म हो गया. So really like Miyazaki Hayao cartoon, Sento Chihiro.
Too dark.
Too dark. Why you want to walk outside?
We'll refresh.
Yeah, that's cool. Still doing meditation.
Okay.
You don't want to go back hotel room.
Yes, I don't want to go back hotel because of this nature.
Midnight 3 a.m. wake up, haven't sleep until now.
But this nature, I have no words to express myself. It's really beautiful, guys. I don't want to go back to the room, exhausted place covered with the walls. I want to see the sky. Beautiful wind. Oh my god. Spend my life in this kind of place.
Thank you for watching our video, guys.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. We'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye. See you. Love you.
See you. Love you.